I recently came across with the problem that I have to type so much in my terminal that it becomes really annoying. For example, take a look on this brew services list. So I have my MySQL, Nginx, and PHP running on my web server right now. If I want to stop them, I would have to say something like brew services stop MySQL, for example. And now I would have to copy this one since I want to stop them all, and I would have to type PHP and then and again and finally Nginx, and then I press enter. So as you can see, it takes so much time and I would have to do it every single time, so that I decided to do a video that would show you how to shortcut this. First of all, you have to type sudo, then you have to type nano, then tilde, backslash, dot, zshrc, enter, and you will be prompted to enter your password. Just enter it. Now we got into this file, first press enter, and now what we will do, we will say alias, and then I will say server. Actually, I will say restart equals to, and here I would say brew services restart, and first I want to restart my MySQL, and then an end, and then I would say brew services restart. So basically pretty much the same thing. Right now we're ready to save this file, so you would press Ctrl O in order to write out. Ctrl O and then press enter. As you can see, 24 lines per row, and then you just press Ctrl X in order to exit this file. So if you will try to run this right now, nothing is going to work. You can try that. I won't try it right now. But if you will say, or probably most precise would be if you would type source tilde slash dot zshrc and then press enter. Right now it is going to work. So once I say start, every single one of them is starting. And this is how you basically do that. This is your shortcut, and you can do it with anything.